if you manage your 1099s, we're already well on our way to a successful filing for 2025, so no worries. This short video is geared towards those of you who prepare your own 1099s. Most of you already know the basics. For the 2025 tax year, the 1099 form NEC must be filed and sent out by February 2nd to anyone that you paid over $600 for labor or services. The NEC stands for non-employee compensation. This is where a lot of business owners get tripped up. 1099 rules are more complex than they first appear. 1099 requirements are based on the payee's tax structure, not on whether you think of them as a subcontractor. This tax structure is shown on Form W-9, which is why you should always collect a W-9 from anyone that you pay that provides a service to your business, not just subcontractors that are working on jobs, but anyone. Many services get overlooked, like the electrician who repaired the lights in your office, or the IT company that fixed your computer, the attorney who drafted a contract, and even the auto repair shop that worked on your company vehicle. If they provided a service to your business, a W-9 should be collected. You have about another week and a half to collect any W-9s that you're missing. Once you've received your W-9s, it becomes much easier to determine if you need to issue them a 1099 NEC. In general, C corporations and S corporations do not receive a 1099. LLCs taxed as C corporations or S corporations also don't receive a 1099. However, you do need to issue 1099 NECs to any individual sole proprietors, LLCs taxed as individuals, or LLCs taxed as partnerships. That tax classification is clearly marked on the W-9, which is why it's so important to collect them. In addition to the 1099 NECs, you may need to issue Form 1099 miscellaneous for any payments that you made for rent, royalties, or gross proceeds paid in a settlement to an attorney. But again, this is based on the tax structure of who you paid. So again, the W-9 will tell you everything you need to know. I know preparing 1099s can feel overwhelming. And with that, I'm attaching a 1099 cheat sheet to help make it a little easier. After reviewing this cheat sheet, if you still have questions or you decide that you'd like to add 1099 services to your agreement with the profit constructors, just reach out. We're happy to help you navigate this so it's done correctly, confidently, and without unnecessary stress. Happy tax time, everyone.